I think it was really interesting. We already heard a lot of things what to do when you're in public and when you speak, because you learn it from the school and you have to do presentations. But it's always like you get to know new things. You're maybe not aware of something like body language and how you use your voice, not just the words. Because I think as a student you always focus on your words and you forget about the body language, so that was a good point. And I think it was also interesting to see him, how he does the stuff. Like, he's talking about it, but you already see what he's doing, so it's like not just the presentation, it's his way how he does it.
Second thing you need to think about when we talk about diction is rhythm and tempo. And this is actually really, really important, people. We don't think about it. People who usually talk all the time in the same tone, they tend to be really, really, really boring to listen to. And there is a lot of people who talk like this. And we are bored all the time while we are hearing them. Also, there are people who talk loud all the time, imposing themselves. And that's actually quite annoying. Imagine 60 minutes of somebody talking like this at you. Because they think that if they talk loud, they'll be interesting. That's not the point. Our presentation, and every time we speak, it's important that we have difference in tempo and rhythm. Rhythm is all around us. It's in nature, if you look at it. There's a little bit of grass, then there are mountains, then sand, then, I don't know, sea, oceans. The life is all about the rhythm. Sometimes you feel good, you feel low. There's difference all the time. And your speech should be like it. The rhythm is very important. Also, it comes together with tempo. Speed of your talk. If you speak too quickly, people won't understand you. If you're talking slow, people will be bored. You have to find that right amount. There's a lot of people who speak very, very quickly, but they need to know that most important things in your presentation should be said in the matter that people can understand. In the way that people know that that's really, really important. Like if I would like to say, in conversation and in presentation, rhythm is very important. This way of word by word, Italians call martellato. It's a nice way to stress that something is really, really important.
I think you have to trust yourself first. You have to know what about are you talking. What is your main reason to give the why you are talking here. If you know kind of these things, and if you have an aim to touching the people, I think that they can be most effective.
Body has three main parts: specific goal, the main thesis, and the main ideas. Stephen Lucas, he is amazing lecturer on the public speaking theme, and he has this great book. It's called The Art of Public Speaking. Stephen Lucas, you should find him out. Anyway, he says that the body of your presentation should be like a tree. How? Specific goal. Specific goal is this higher thing that you should know, it's only for you, that you want to achieve during your presentation. I'm an educator, and for me to educate is my specific goal. To give you some new ideas, to make you think about something, read something, to improve yourself. That's my specific goal, and that's my root of my tree. The second part, the tree trunk, are the main thesis. For me, the main thesis is, no matter what you do, your success will depend on the way you speak, the way you move, on your public speaking techniques. That's my thesis, and that's my tree trunk, the biggest part. And the branches, which are the main ideas, for me are those four pieces of a pie. Stage fright, diction, body language, and style. They are my main ideas. The same way you can make every presentation, every public speech in the same way, and you won't be wrong. Just remember this tree and use it.
Actually, it was really impressive. So I learned a lot of new things, and also I liked how Marko did the session. So he was very interesting. Yeah, it was quite good.